Hi, Derrek Metz here. Today we're going to talk about 3 tips you can use if you're in the sandwich generation, specifically with estate planning. So the first one is start the conversation. If you're in that sandwich generation, starting the conversation with your parents can be tough, right? You don't want to talk about illness, serious illness, or even death, and nobody wants to talk about money. So if you take a step back and actually initiate that conversation now, it's going to help you get a lot further ahead. So just starting that conversation is important. You can use a financial planner, you can use an estate attorney, other professionals to help you start that conversation. So that's the first tip. Second one, know where the documents are. So wills, trusts, healthcare powers of attorney, you want to know where those pieces of paper are now, so God forbid something comes up, you have the ability to quickly be able to locate them. Third is actually know the basic estate strategy, right? So you don't have to know the ins and outs of how much money and where it goes and, trust funding and all of that, but just knowing the basic players can be really helpful. So who is the executor? Who is the power of attorney? Who's the healthcare power of attorney, right? Because you'd be surprised. Oftentimes we see documents from 1990 something, right, in their parents' documents, and maybe they named one of your siblings as the caregiver, the healthcare power of attorney, even though they moved halfway across the country, and it just doesn't make sense anymore. So knowing who those players are can save a lot of time and stress. As a matter of fact, all of those are really a good place to start to have that conversation. So hopefully you found these 3 tips helpful. Start the conversation now, make sure you know where the documents are, and then know the basics of the overall strategy. Hope you found that helpful. See you out there.